Canada's oil export dilemma, a pipeline to the Pacific, but at what cost? Canada's energy sector is at a crossroads, with a bold plan to diversify its oil exports sparking intense debate. Prime Minister Mark Carney and Alberta Premier Danielle Smith have agreed to collaborate on a pipeline project to the Pacific coast, aiming to reduce reliance on the U.S. market. But this move has already caused a stir within the government and environmental circles. The agreement includes a potential adjustment to the oil tanker ban along parts of British Columbia's coast, a decision that has led to the resignation of a key cabinet minister, Steven Guilbeault. Guilbeault, an environmentalist at heart, strongly opposes the pipeline, citing the risk of a spill in the Great Bear Rainforest. But he also understands the need for national unity, a sentiment echoed by the Prime Minister. But here's where it gets controversial. The pipeline is seen as a way to increase exports to Asian markets, particularly China, and reduce the impact of American tariffs. However, it could also have significant environmental consequences. The northern Alberta region boasts one of the world's largest oil reserves, and the proposed pipeline would tap into this wealth. But at what cost to the environment and local communities? The project has divided opinions. Premier Smith believes it will bring economic benefits, freeing Alberta from dependence on a single customer. But British Columbia Premier David Eby and Coastal First Nations President Marilyn Slett are staunchly against it, fearing the destruction of their way of life and ongoing projects. The agreement also links the pipeline to a carbon capture project, adding complexity to the debate. And this is the part most people miss. The success of the pipeline hinges on private sector support. Without it, the project won't go ahead. This leaves the future of Canada's energy diversification strategy hanging in the balance, with the government needing to navigate environmental concerns, political tensions, and economic opportunities.